Hello and welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Instagram without an account. So in order to do that, let's jump forward and open our mobile web browser right here and go to instagram.com. So right here, as you can see, I have to either sign up or download the app in order to be able to use the Instagram without having an account. But what I'm going to do is, if I want to search for a specific account on Instagram, I will just go for then enter instagram.com and then the account that I want to use. So let's say I want to see the Ferrari page on Instagram right here, and as you can see, I can tap on the very first option right here, and I can just continue using my mobile web browser. And when this page is going to load up, as you can see, I am able to see this page without having an account. The thing is that we have some limitations if we are not having the account, which is we cannot interact with the posts, we cannot see comments or add comments, we cannot like posts and so on. So the only thing we can do right here is just see the account bios, the photos and so on. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.